1 point off being break even. Um, Manipulated in this 4 hour gap. We have a really strong draw at the bottom of this weekly. ES has a pretty strong draw right here. I was expecting us either to come up into here, get a nice 1 hour close, but yeah.
Order filled.
It's fine, I'll take it. This is a weekly draw, so I expect us to reject off this area. We're kind of early in the day still, so maybe we go down, take these lows also. But, that's not my original idea. And yeah, I was kind of just seeing how it played. Probably does play out, but I was fine with the 1-to-1. I'm going to give you guys a little masterclass on how you should be journaling your trades, why you should be journaling them, and so on. So starting off, I already took a couple screenshots, but going into the day, I was looking at the weekly, looking at this extremely strong draw right here. The daily, we did create this order block signifying we wanted to go down. We had a nice 4 hour close under these lows, and honestly, basically at these lows. And even though this was a voluminous area, I wanted to see some sort of reason to not go higher and rebalance this previous range, because if we did, we're probably going to go up here. So once we get this nice candle, this nice 5-minute flip, rebalance, I was pretty confident. Now, you may see this and think it's like not the best stop, but I took a screenshot of the weekly, the daily, 1 hour, 5-minute, not the 1 minute, but as you can see, this voluminous ass candle, it was news, and I can't trade till 2 minutes after news, so I just waited for the 5-minute close, got into this. We shouldn't go past above this high because this is a huge candle. We just really shouldn't. So the way I go ahead and journal this is I go to my notes. I open up a new note. Looking at this top down. We had, we had a strong weekly draw towards the downside. Also, this was a little bit of a 1 hour gap. Also daily unfilled. Closing below daily lows, creating a order block higher in the range. I needed a reason to think we were not going higher to rebalance the 4 hour range, and we rejected out of a 1 hour FVG. Creating a strong flip with a displacing candle. Targeting the weekly draw. It's honestly pretty simple. These are kind of things I look at. Do not target lows that have been previously rejected until they have closed past. What are previous sessions looking like? Ranging, going higher, going lower. Is ES doing the opposite or NQ, or is it sweeping? Is it sweeping the same highs and lows, displacing the same direction? All that was kind of happening today. I really was looking for, ES to get above these highs in conjunction with NQ doing the same, which we very much did. And yeah, looks like we're going to be going lower today. I just took my piece of the pie, I TP'd at this weekly low. Which looked a little bit different on MNQ. As you can see, weekly low. Volume wasn't very good today, so you can expect us a slow move down. So you really can't get that aggressive trailing that many so would like, but honestly, I don't like how this looks. Even though we may go lower based on what this 4-hour candle is doing, there's a very good reason for us to kind of halt right here, get a good retracement, go lower, or, just rip up in the next coming days or weeks. So that's how I go ahead and journal my trades. Some people do it a little bit more extensively. I kind of like this way. Usually if you have some issues that you need to, figure out, then it's really not too bad to do it this way. You might be writing a little bit more, but today kind of happened exactly how I planned, and I think that this is enough personally.